In the city, laughter was king. You must fight to survive. One man, one desire. When your life is no longer your own.
What does that mean?
When everything you know is wrong.
And I swear to God, I'm fucking sick of those joggers always fucking walking around and shit, running like little fucking
Oh shit, here's one, man. Oh shit, dude, there's one coming.
Watch what the fuck I'm gonna do. Yeah, you fucking bitch.
One way in, no way out.
Yeah, I'm getting that right there, and I'm the Mexican in the garbage can.
Hi, I'm Tony Battaglia, and I'm attacking the shit out of Oscar Grouch. Do it.